If you collect Pokemon booster bundles and want to protect them, this video is for you. Today I'm testing an affordable plastic protector to see if it's actually worth using, and stick around to the end because I will show you a storage setup most collectors are not even thinking about. Before we get into it, I got this product for free through the Amazon Vine program in exchange for an honest review. This is not a paid or sponsored video, and everything I say is based on my own experience. Gloves are terrible for peeling the protective peel off, so I had to remove them. Start peeling the protective film from the opposite of the top flap. It comes off clean and easy. If you forget where to start, it can take a little more effort. What impressed me here is how resistant this plastic is to fingerprints. Even after handling it, there's barely any smudging, and the clarity is surprisingly good for the price. Assembly is straightforward, but you'll want to break in the flaps first. There's a bit of extra internal space, and honestly I don't mind that. It makes inserting and removing sealed bundles much smoother without catching the factory wrap. That said, the top and bottom surfaces are not perfectly flat out of the box, which can cause some wobble. The instructions recommend pressing them flat. How far you go with that is up to you. For more details, including notes and links to the products I used or recommend, check out the description below. Each protector behaves a little different. With some extra effort, you can reduce the wobble, but it's something you'll want to be aware of. Stacking is where instability becomes noticeable. Since neither surface is perfectly flat, stacking multiple protectors adds wobble. These work best side by side rather than stacked high. Here's a bonus tip. I'm storing these inside a graded card 2-row storage box. It fits booster bundles with protectors easily, and you can fit up to 5 per row. For the price, I really like these. They are affordable, easy to assemble, protect sealed booster bundles, and the extra space actually helps with usability. Just be mindful of assembly and stacking. I'd love to hear your feedback on these protectors and your thoughts on what you saw today. How do you store your Pokemon booster bundles? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Before we end the video, check out these other videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you all in the next one.